Welcome to World of Slot Cars and another product presentation. This time we're diving into keyboards and the use on slot car tracks because I have designed a mount for mounting your keyboard on the side of the track when you're not using it or when you need a place to have it so you can use it. So this is a very simple and very specialized piece of a 3D model I've made here. So this comes into effect, or you can use this if you need a keyboard for your slot car track. Personally, I use this Logitech K400 Plus keyboard. It is really inexpensive and it has both buttons, so you can use it as a regular keyboard, but also this touchpad over here that removes the need for a mouse, which is really convenient. You can even walk with this keyboard in your hands and hit the buttons, use the mouse, so you can make all of the settings, adjustments, whatever you need. And usually I've just had my keyboard laying around somewhere on the track, here, over here, and that doesn't look very well. And as I'm beginning to finish this room and getting my setup looking more neat and finished, I decided to make this. This is my keyboard mount. This is a very classy design. It is simple, it's straightforward, and it just works. It's really strong, so you'll have no problems with keyboards falling out or anything like that. I added these small rubber, don't know what they're called in English, these small pieces of rubber with tape on the back, so when the keyboard is mounted in the mount holder here, it won't go anywhere. It is firmly positioned, so it won't slide anywhere. Beside that, this model prints easily, only a minimal amount of supports on the top here, and it attaches to the track using two simple screws in here. So if you have a wooden panel on your track anywhere, you can add these without any problems. This is a customizable sign. I made one with the World of Slot Car text, and it can be removed. You can add a new one, or you can change it. So that's more of an option. But anyways, it works really well. You just attach the keyboard. It can also you can also use other keyboards than this. I just decided on this because it works really well. While it's mounted in the mount, you can use the buttons, you can use the mouse, and do all of the corrections you need for your race. And it just looks clean, efficient, and smooth. And I like that. So I hope you like it too. Thank you all for watching. If you have any comments, feedback, so on, always appreciate it. So just write it down in the comments below, and happy racing everyone.